Hello to all traders and welcome back to another market review brought to you by Orbex. I want to do a couple of stocks today because you probably heard that NVDA is the first company to reach a $4 trillion market cap as it hits another record peak with the AI and tech stocks really doing well in the last few months. We're seeing a host of the Magnificent Seven really pushing higher as well. And not only that, Amazon are in the mix of their Amazon Prime Day sales, and that's lasting until tomorrow. They've already hit half of their target, which is expected to be $23.8 billion. So they've already hit half of that. And obviously, last time around, it was a 2-day event. In the beginning, it was a 1-day event. Now it's a 4-day event. So Amazon really looking to pile on the pressure from other from other outlets such as Walmart and other big American global movements. So we're just seeing now that price action on NVIDIA, like I said, hitting $4 trillion. Unbelievable. So the only problem is with that is we're hitting higher highs, and there could be a slight chance of a correction, especially if Donald Trump's trade wars does pick up speed. Obviously, he's looking on August the 1st to put on tariffs not only on countries but on copper as well, since copper has reached fresh peaks as well. So lots to sink our teeth into here. If you are looking at stocks, let me know. Obviously, indices in America are really flying as well. The Dow took a slight correction, but it's looking likely that it will pick up speed, and the S&P and the Nasdaq still have room to go. So let's just concentrate on NVIDIA just for now. And what else can we say? The only thing I'm worried about now is if we do get a slowdown on the RSI and other stochastics, that price action will start moving a little bit lower. But it's moved lower in the past. See these bearish candlesticks dragging prices slightly lower, but they seem to just be ignored because we've seen quite a remarkable jump on prices, and especially now with the news of the $4 trillion, we're just seeing now price action moving more and more higher. Let's just take a quick look on Amazon as well. Just find it. So that's creeping steadily higher, not hitting record highs just yet, but the momentous fluctuation in price action. If we look back at the beginning of April, just a few months ago, price is really pushing a lot higher now, going from under $170. Now we're flying above $220. So quite remarkable. Obviously, the record peak is still quite a way away, another $20 move there, but it is looking nicely in that direction as well. So obviously, with the Amazon Prime days, the sales, we are looking likely that we will possibly push up a little bit further. As I said, 23.8 billion is expected to be reached by the end of business tomorrow, which will be their the fourth day and the last of their sales on the 11th of July. But where else can we go? How much more pressure can we put on these AI stocks? Are they going to keep on continuing throughout the second half of the year? Will Donald Trump's trade tariff war continue and slow things down? Or is it just a case of bargain buying and obviously people just wanting the best bargains and ignoring the trade tariffs as well? And are we looking for a slight recession? Because in last night's FOMC minutes, the Fed did say that it is still monitoring data. So we just have to wait and see how much data that's going to be and where we're going to go from here. But as usual, bring you all the latest in the big fundamentals and technical headlines on our YouTube and Telegram channel. So until then, have a great trading day ahead, and bye for now.